Okay, let's discuss window of the sky points. Today we shall explore the uses and benefits of window of the sky points in traditional Chinese medicine. Okay, what are window of sky points? These are also known as window of heaven points. They are specific acupuncture points that ease the flow of qi and blood between the body and the head. They are very important to address several ailments like throat disorders, emotional disturbances, and issues relating to the sense organs, ultimately ensuring that there is a very harmonious flow of energy. Okay, why do we use window of the sky points? Because we want to address this harmony that happens sometimes between the body, between the chi of the body and the head, particularly when there is chi rebellion. And we all know for a fact that when we talk about chi rebellion, there is an inappropriate flow of the chi. So in this case, when you talk about the lung and the stomach, there is inappropriate upward or ascension of the chi. And we all know that the lung, the chi flow should be descending. So what are the applications of the treatment? Window of the sky points are effective to treat goiter or scrofula. These are glandular swellings that affect the throat and the surrounding areas. And therefore, this can help restore balance and alleviate discomfort. Okay, nag-brown out kami. Um, can you hear me?
Yes, Doc.
Okay, good. Um, buti lang nakaano ako sa ano, what do you call
Brown.
it? Hotspot. Gosh, it's brown out.
Oh no.
Okay, anyway. We also use window of the sky points for coughing, wheezing, or chest. And we all know that when you have lung chi rebellion, we need these points, no? To restore the normal flow of chi, promoting easier breathing and alleviating pressure in the chest. Oh God, it's not moving. Why is the slide not moving? Wait lang, ha? So if we have rebellious lung chi, so we need this point, no? Like coughing, wheezing, or when you have chest depression, so that the patient can easily breathe and the pressure in the chest would be alleviated. Okay. Okay. Another uh, practical application of the window of the sky point is another rebellion. When you have stomach chi rebelling or rebellious stomach chi, di ba? Downward flow ang stomach chi. So if you have GERD, for example, these points can address the vomiting that result from rebellious stomach chi by normalizing the digestive functions and alleviate the nausea, leading to improved overall comfort. This is also good for headaches and dizziness, no? So you might want to try using window of the sky, okay? This can help regulate chi flow to the head, and so this can alleviate pain and promote clarity. Okay. Window of the sky points can also be used when you have red red eyes or swollen eyes, no? When you have heat, redness, or swelling of the face or eyes, helping to cool inflammation and restore harmony. Oh God, thank God. The lights are back. Okay. Um, Okay, if you have disorders of sense organs, you can also use the window of the sky points. Example, when you have diminished hearing or diminished vision, because these points can help enhance the flow of qi to the area so that the functioning will improve. Finally, we can also use this for mental and emotional disorders so that this can help foster a sense of calm and balance and promoting mental clarity. So these are the key window of the sky points. So I hope you can remember all of them. So we have lung three. What I like about lung three is the way we locate it, no? All you have to do is do like this, oh. Um, kung saan yung ilong mo tumatama, that's your lung tree. Okay? So just pretend that you want to check if your axilla is not uh, offensive. And then stomach nine. Now, this is a little bit medyo, you have to be very careful here kasi it's before this sternocleidomastoid, no? So, aligned with the, they call this, the Adam's apple, no? So, nandito siya. LI18, same line. Then we have triple burner 16, bladder 10. I think you know where that is. RAN 22. And then we have SI16 and SI17, 216, very easy. It's so effective, I tell you. I usually pair 216 with GB20 kasi sabi nila, if you have headache or dizziness, just remember GB20. Don't forget it. It can treat any etiology of the headache for that matter. Then we have PC1. Okay. So what are the functions of the key window of the sky points? So the window of the sky points, they help regulate the flow of qi and blood throughout the body. So perhaps now you know the reason why it's called window of the sky. So if you want to go to heaven, probably you improve the flow of qi and blood to the head, no? Yun lang yun. So it's about ensuring that the circulation between the head and the body is good. Okay. Then it also removes accumulations or excesses like phlegm or stagnant qi. And this can, we all know for a fact that this can lead to various health issues. It also relieves swelling, and this addresses conditions that result in inflammation or excessive fluid retention in the body. So yung mga medyo nagmamaga-maga yung muka, yung mata, no? And it's also good for the throat, no? So for those with throat issues, um, I don't know if naalala pa ni, I think may pasyente si Ma'am Aklan, no? So you might want to use any of the window of the sky. So it's very good for the throat. Okay, so then we have specific conditions treated by each point. So if you want to relieve the chest fullness, you might want to use stomach 9, LI18. We have this is for voice restoration support. For vision and shoulder relief, you use SI16. For Do16, neck and headache. Okay, I had a patient last Saturday. Masakit yung kanyang left neck. He's been suffering from that for the past 3 months. So I used Do16, the GB20, and there's another point. Yeah, SI16. It was very effective. And then I also noted that marami siyang phlegm, so I had to address the phlegm. Okay, indications for treatment. So coughing and wheezing are often signs of rebellious lung qi, where the energy is not flowing properly. No, so window of the sky points can help restore balance and alleviate the symptoms. Vomiting. So when you have vomiting, the stomach qi is rebelling. No, so we can use window of the sky here. When you have headache, dizziness, heat, red face, swollen eyes. Okay, goiter, scrofula, and throat disorders. Okay, aside from that, the window of the sky is also good for emotional and mental health issues. Okay, so window of the sky points, they assist to alleviate various emotional disturbances. So for those suffering from anxiety, stress, it enhances their emotional well-being. Okay, it also treats mania to provide stabilization and calming effects that help in managing manic episodes. It also enhances connection to a higher energy to promote spiritual growth and enhancing the mind-body connection, especially those who are contemplating on committing suicide. No, this might help. Okay. Okay. Anatomical locations of window of the sky points. Understanding the specific locations will assist in effective acupuncture practices. So, run 22 above the trachea. Okay. Stomach 9 at the larynx, dito na siya. And then LI18 also at the larynx as and also as I16. One line lang yan sila. Stomach 9, LI18, SI16. Nape of the neck, bladder 10. I also used this last Saturday. Very effective. And back of the head, do 16. PC1, nipple. Lung 3, biceps medial. Okay, CV22 and also GB16. Okay, common questions and answers. Points not on the neck. Lung 3 and PC1, these are not located on the neck, no? If you notice, most of the points are located ahead, no? Neck and head. Um, these points play a significant role to balance qi in addressing various conditions. The SI channel is unique because it has two window of the sky points, 16 and 17. Okay, so this is very good for the sense organs and emotional disturbances. Potential adverse reactions to window of the sky points. Um, you have to be very careful because the patient can become manic here, or they may experience a decrease in the mood. Practitioners should be aware of these effects when treating patients. Okay, conclusion. The window of the sky points are pivotal in harmonizing the flow of qi between the body and the head. So their applications to treat various ailments, goiter, throat disorders, even emotional disturbances highlight their significance in acupuncture practice. Okay. So thank you very much for listening.